Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. Let's get started. Let's close the eyes, hands in Dhyan Mudra, back straight, relax shoulders. We will chant long Omkar for a minute. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's keep the eyes closed, join hands at back of the body. Bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up, away from the body. Push the head and trunk down. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Generate urja, make them warm. Place warm hands all over the face and eyes. Slowly blink the eyes few times in dark. Slide the hands down over the face, gently open the eyes, and we will start with some light exercise for the lower back and around the waist. So inhale, raise both hands up, stretch the whole upper body upward. The exhale, twist the upper body to the one side, look back, align chin with the shoulder, keep pushing the knee forward. Inhale, back to center, exhale to the second side. Try to keep trunk vertical, back straight. We are just twisting the upper body. Feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. We will do one more time, exact same way. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back, extend both hands sideways. Drop the right hand down on the floor wherever it reaches. Inhale, left hand up, stretch the left hand even further up. Then exhale, bend sideways towards right side. Keep looking up through the left bicep. Keep pushing the left hand further down. Make sure both knees should stay down. Inhale, back to center. Same way to the other side. Stretch the right hand up. Exhale, bend toward left side. Keep looking up toward the ceiling through the right bicep. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time. Same pose. Feel the stretches on the side of the trunk, one side extension, one side compression. Inhale, back to center, and we will complete onto the second side. Come back, relax, and slowly we'll stand up. So we'll do swaying palm tree pose, Tiryak Tadasana. Separate the feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Extend both hands sideways. Deep inhale. As we exhale, again bend sideways. One hand go toward the ceiling, one go toward floor. Keep looking up through the palm. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the second side. Come back. We'll do one more time. Tiryak Tadasana, swaying palm tree pose. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Now separate the feet at the farthest. Bring both hands at the waist. We will do waist rotation, Kati Chakrasana, deep inhale. As we exhale, twist the upper body to the one side, holding the hips, legs at the same position. We are just twisting the upper body. Look back. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the second side. Feel some good stretches at the lower back and around the waist. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time. Come back and to the second side. Come back. Now extend both hands sideways into star position. Deep inhale. Deep exhale as we grab the big toe with opposite side hand. Other hand will go 90-degree up. Look up through the palm. Inhale, back to star. Exhale to the second side. Inhale, come back. We'll do one more time. So this is a twisted triangle. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Bring both hands at the lower back, thumbs on a sacrum. Deep inhale as we arch backward. Look into the back wall. Feel the full compression at the lumbar area, extension at the lower abdomen area. Exhale, come back. Inhale again. Exhale, bend forward and down. Push head and trunk further down. We can use a little bit force. Inhale, come back up. And let's move in front of the mat. Let's do the Surya Namaskars a little bit away from the front edge. We'll put the music, mantras. Let's follow the beats. Roll the shoulders back and down, and let's begin.
सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय सूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Good morning. Let's shake up the feet, hands, thigh, leg, the whole body to generate more activity within the body, more heartbeat, more pulse, more blood circulations, more breathing rate. You can add some yogic jogging. And lay down in Shavasana for the more relaxation. Completely still and relax the body. Let all the body parts, muscle, joints be on their own. Close the eyes. Deep inhale, deep exhale few times. And let the breath become normal, natural. Feel the body weight. And notice how it transfers, how the weight transfers to the floor. Let's scan the body internally to see how we feel within. Moving the awareness body part by body part from head to the toes and back from toes to the head, making the round trip with full awareness. At each body part, we will try to acknowledge, recognize any kind of sensations, relaxation, heartbeat, pulse, any vibrations, any kind of sensations for 3 full minutes, and time starts now. Last 10 seconds to bring the awareness back to the head if you haven't yet already. Bring feet together, wiggle the toes, squeeze and release them a few times. Turn them onto sideways, both the sides. Also turn the head on both the sides a couple of times. And give body a big stretch. Yastikasana, stick pose. Push all the toes together, out and hands in opposite direction. Feel the full stretch, 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 and relax. Keeping the elbows straight, bring both hands sideways, palms facing down. Hold at both the knees, so heels will be at the hips. Deep inhale. As we exhale, drop both folded knees together on the floor towards left. Turn the head towards right. Keep the eyes closed till end of the session. Push the palms into the floor. Feel some good twist, good stretches at the back. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Both legs towards right, head towards left. Push the palms in the floor. Feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. Now lift the feet a little bit up away from the floor. Exhale. Drop the folded legs towards left. Turn the head towards right. Inhale. Back to center. Now drop the legs towards right. Head towards left for a few seconds. And bring the entire body towards right. Stay on right for 2 more breaths in and out. And gently, with help of the elbows and palms, bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. Keep the eyes closed. We will do 3 Bhramari Pranayam. Once you're done, and bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Keep the back straight, relax shoulders. Deep inhale and chant one long Omkar. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palm against each other. Apply a little bit pressure. Generate more urja. Make them more warm. Place the warm hand over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times. Let the urja enter into the eyes. Move the bottom of the palms over the eyes, gently massage the eyelids. Spread the fingers apart, slowly slide the hands down over the face, gently open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head. back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, or any problem part of the body to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Good morning, everybody. Jai Shri Krishna. Happy Tuesday. Mangal ka din, Shubh Mangal ho. Going to let you guys unmute, and we have a little yoga. Shri Krishna. Yes, okay. So have a wonderful day.
Right.
जय श्री कृष्ण भाई